A very good morning to all. It's our honor to welcome you all where we will be celebrating Teachers' Day. I, Zinat Maniha, the head girl of the school.
I, Prathamesh Deshmukh, the head boy of the school.
Welcome you all on the behalf of VPMS Nasik. Today we are blessed with your presence.
Today is the day to express gratitude, appreciate our teachers, and recognize their contribution to the education, society, and in the lives of their students. This day is also celebrated as the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the former Vice President of India and a great teacher.
नन्ही से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्ही से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। है आग हमारे अंदर पर वो ज्योत जलाते हैं, फिर प्रेम और श्रद्धा से नया विश्वास जगाते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं, सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। नन्ही से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्ही से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार।
A very good morning to all of you. On this special occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. It gives me immense pleasure to be here and talk about the main personalities of the day, our very own teachers. Teachers are the building blocks of each and everyone's life. They act as a second parent for every student. So firstly, before starting my speech, I would like to thank all the teachers for their moral support to make us worthy people to face the world boldly. Teachers' Day is an important and special day for the student as they give the respect to the teacher in the recognition of their contribution in the field of education. Teachers are the guide who play a vital role in the student's life. They serve selflessly and help us to reach till our aim in all the ways. Today we can see the contribution of teachers in each and every field. However, it is said that the teachers are in the forefront to adopt new changes, then it might be syllabus or surrounding. Currently, we are seeing that the whole world is fighting with the pandemic disease, the coronavirus or COVID-19. All the management and institutions are closed. Schools and colleges are also closed. But we can see that the teachers have not lost their hopes. They are trying to teach the students from their homes at a very great distance. They are trying to reach the students with many innovative ways. Then it might be video lectures, video links, online classes, tests, assignment submissions and many more. We can see that the teaching fraternity hasn't shied away from its responsibilities in such situation too. But as it is said that you indeed cannot clap with one hand, therefore the students' active participation is must in this. As the teachers are giving their best, the students should also try to give their best. So all this results into fact that nothing can stop the teachers from teaching the students. So lastly, on this auspicious occasion, I would like to tell all the students and parents that remember, Schools are not closed. School buildings are closed. All the teachers and all the staff members are working harder than ever. So therefore remember, respect teachers as teachers are the pillars of tomorrow. Once again, a very happy Teachers Day to all the teachers of the world. Thank you.
हर कागज पर लिखने के लिए ज़रूरत होती है कलम की। हर कागज पर लिखने के लिए ज़रूरत होती है कलम की। वैसे ही हर विद्यार्थी को ज़रूरत होती है एक शिक्षक की। ढाल बनकर हर मुश्किल से बचाया, ढाल बनकर हर मुश्किल से बचाया, कभी हक के लिए लड़ना सिखाया। कभी डांटकर इसने प्यार जताया, कभी डांटकर इसने प्यार जताया, सही गलत का फैसला करना उन्होंने सिखाया। हर समय परछाई सा साथ निभाए, हर समय परछाई सा साथ निभाए, वही सच्चा गुरु कहलाए। तलाशते हैं हीरे कोयले की खान में, तलाशते हैं हीरे कोयले की खान में, देख लेते हैं भगवान साधारण इंसान में। जाति धर्म पर लड़े न कोई, करना सबसे प्रेम सिखाते। जाति धर्म पर लड़े न कोई, करना सबसे प्रेम सिखाते। अंधेरे से उजाले तक पहुंचाने वाले दिए को यहीं जलाते। जब स्कूल में आता है एक छोटा बच्चा, शिक्षक ही होता है उसका असली फरिश्ता। जब स्कूल में आता है एक छोटा बच्चा, शिक्षक ही होता है उसका असली फरिश्ता। जैसे धागे का मोमबत्ती से, वैसा ही है उनका पवित्र रिश्ता। ज्ञानी होकर भी घमंड न दिखाए, ज्ञानी होकर भी घमंड न दिखाए, संसार की मोह माया का असली अर्थ वही समझाए। कोरोना काल में भी आपने अपना कर्म नहीं छोड़ा, कोरोना काल में भी आपने अपना कर्म नहीं छोड़ा। ऑनलाइन क्लास से हम सबको जोड़ा। मानकर उन्हें आदर्श हमने है सब कुछ सीखा, मानकर उन्हें आदर्श हमने है सब कुछ सीखा। इस इमारत की नींव है वो और कोई नहीं, बल्कि वो है हमारी मुख्याध्यापिका।
Good morning to one and all. Today we are present here to celebrate Teachers' Day. But do we really need to celebrate this day? According to me, every day is a Teacher's Day. Teacher is one who inculcates knowledge in us, show us the true path of success, and are there in every difficulty of life. So for me, every day is a Teacher's Day. This day should be celebrated by showing them respect, admiring them, and appreciate their hard work. I felt myself lucky to be given this chance of delivering speech on this special occasion. On being a part of this fantabulous school, I have learned a lot of things like hard work for success was taught by Rushali Miss. To be calm in any situation was taught by Pandurang sir. While Sagar sir taught me studying maths is damn easy. Vidate ma'am taught us how to be perfect in all our work. Malti Miss and Patil Miss taught us the value of honesty. Bharat sir taught me one of the most important values in our life, and it is discipline. Varsha Miss and Matthew Miss taught us the importance of time, while Usha Miss taught us to love our Indian culture and Sanskriti. Devdas sir taught us the importance of group work, and Shilpa Miss taught us to make our school, teachers and parents proud on us. In every mistake of my life, teachers were like the solution. They were with me in every difficulty. Said by the late President APJ Abdul Kalam, dreams are not that which we see while sleeping. Dreams are that which do not let us sleep. According to me, to fulfill that dreams, teachers can only help us. Teachers are key to success. By saying this, I will end my speech. Once again, happy Teachers Day.
When I was a kid, I used to wish a lot. Some of them do made sense, some did not. I am still unknown to what did I wish for, that in returns of my prayer, I got you all. I was like any other kid when I first met you. You turned me into something better, into something new. You cared, protected and loved me like I was your very own child. They call us teacher and students, but the bond we share is much more than what they can define. Our life is but a play, was once said by a great mind. We all play one or the other role, yet for me, you played each of its kind. From a strict mentor to a mother who cares, I wonder who is comparable to you and your job's aptness. Thank you was all I was going to say at the end, but each thing you did for me is beyond one's comprehend. The one who stood beside me all these years, the one who for me made every possible strive. All I can say to you is, you are the one from whom meaning of my life truly derived.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We hope you had a great time and wish you all happiness, liberty, peace, success, and health.
In this pandemic, we request you all to be at home, take care and keep learning.